when doing YouTube, it's very important to have a camera and also a mic. I've started my journey using the Rode VideoMic Pro. It cost me around £200 at the time, but obviously I've decided to upgrade only this year to a DJI mic. In terms of camera, I'm still using my M50 Mark I, which still does the job. I would love to upgrade my camera to a camera that does record 4K, so I can upgrade video quality as well. But in this case, I'll probably stick to Full HD, which this video is recorded at Full HD 50 frames per second. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, I know my channel is very smallish, it does fulfill me as well. If you want to start a YouTube channel, well, you can learn multiple skills like doing thumbnails, video editing, and a lot of things which you can learn doing YouTube. To be honest, I'm quite happy that I'm doing YouTube. I'm still learning and I still have a lot to learn, including video editing. Well, I have upgraded my laptop as well, which was way more important than a camera. Without a good laptop, I won't be able to edit everything which is recording from this camera. So in terms of camera for YouTube, I would say probably any camera will be better, even your phone will be good enough. I'm still thinking to try once maybe to record one video for my YouTube channel using my phone, which is Huawei P40 Pro. It does record 4K at 60 frames per second. That honestly I never tried because I do have this M50, which is a smallish camera, and I'm still happy with this camera, and I have a lot of lenses which helps me to make YouTube videos. In terms of mic, if you on a budget, probably you can do with any Rode mic. As I said, I've started my YouTube channel using this one, but I think after I purchased the DJI mic, my sound quality on the videos have improved a bit, which that's the reason I invested a bit more money on this. If I were to start again, I would probably won't buy this Rode mic. I would probably go straight away for wireless mic. Example, DJI, which is a good and a big company with well, good reputation. The only downside of using a shoe mic on your camera is if your camera is a bit away from you, like let's say 2 meters or 3 meters, your sound quality won't sound as good as when it's recording with a very close mic to you, like wireless mic, or even if this camera with this mic will be here and I will be recording a video, my sound quality would look much better. But if this camera and with this mic is a bit further away, I'll probably have a big problem with sound quality. So the sound quality is very important for me, and I always try to improve, especially the sound quality. I really hope I'm gonna probably upgrade my camera at some point, hopefully this year, if not probably next year. At the moment, I'm using the M50, which is a budget camera as well. I think everyone can purchase this camera. All you need to do is just basically buying a lens, a wide lens as well. At the moment, I'm using 10 to 18mm lens, Canon, which is good. It's a good lens. It does the job. As you can see, no issue with the job. So basically right now, I'm using the M50 M1 and my DJI mic 2, but I've started this YouTube channel using, well, same M50 Mark I, but using this Rode VideoMic Pro. I'll probably sell this one on eBay and get rid of it since I have the DJI mic 2, and I am more happy with this DJI mic than I was with Rode VideoMic, and I think the sound quality is a bit better as well. So yes guys, that's pretty much what I'm using to record videos for my YouTube channel. So it's M50, Canon M50 Mark I and DJI mic 2. I purchased this DJI mic last week. Yeah, so I purchased it last week. So in terms of long term, the DJI mic will last longer because I can use on multiple devices like phones, like Insta360. I've tried and it does work as well. Sadly, it doesn't work on my GoPro 12, but probably gonna have to look for a way around. Pretty much it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below in a comment. Thumbs up as well, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and I'll see you next video.